See the people? Take a good look. Take a good look. Here we go. Boom. Welcome back to my channel, people. Today I'm gonna prepare, not me, I'm just going to cook the food. I have somebody here with me. She gonna do steamed fish, steamed curry fish. Okay, so she gonna do the fish and me do the food. So she want to be on my channel, so I'm getting her start. Alright, so people, stay tuned and watch going on. Yes, my people, okay, this is just out of the fish proper, alright? I'm not gonna deal with my food. I need up some flour and thing. Deal up my yam and thing. Should deal with the fish, so I must know I go on. Cooking up a storm around here. Got the seasoning. Wow. All purpose kitchen at it again. And cooking plenty. Like to get a little cornmeal in my flour. Get a little salt in as well. It's an all-purpose kitchen. Do it. Yes, my people. Put in some round something in my pot here, you know. And then look at you, man. Soft and nice and then cooking up people. And call them on a yampy. Nice soft yam and half yam in a pot, people. So it thing look. Don't follow me at home, you know, because it's very dangerous to use like this. Knife fly through and cut your onion, so be careful. Food pack look lovely, people. You are going to cook here now. Some giant dumpling in my pot. I don't know things that, you know. Cooking up a pasta. After one stir, my people. Yeah, and cover it now, people, because I want it to boil up on the stove, you know? Yeah, people, so the fish are going in the pot. Gravy look wonderful. My. Beautiful. This is our specialty. Specialty. You must know. That's something we should do. Whoa, I'm out to run water, my people. I'm gonna start eating yet. This is our special. Wow. Looking great, my people. Looking so beautiful. Wow. My. Finger licking. This look real good, people. People, so my food pot look. Simmer down now, you know. Look for my fish over here. People, now tell me if this not look nice. My God. Oy. Just the aroma will come and fight me and tell the people. You just dive in it now. Oy. It's nice days that she cook fish for me. Yeah. Look at it. Wow. You see the people? Take a good look. Take a good look. Here we go. Boom. My people, check it out. At the finishing touch this, you know? Look at the finishing. Get out some in a plate and I'm gonna see real deal. You see me? See it, people? Food pot, yeah? Done, you know? Finish now, so I get out some in a plate. And now, so yeah, I'm gonna so go on from there. Alright? So just stay tuned and stick with me, alright? Yeah, my people, so it look here, you know. So it come down nice and beautiful. Please like, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend. Please thumbs up the video, please, and thank you. See you on the next adventure. Alright? Thank you.